boys, girls, welcome to Gruvgear Guitar. Neo is saddling and he's riding the dance right now. That's the title of his new song, Yeehaw Neo. That's a new kind of style from him I'm seeing here, and he's following the trend with some Western country style. We'll love that as well. Before we move on with this tutorial, I need your help, guys. On my other channel, it's called Gruvgear Guitar 6 Strings Ago. Link up somewhere. You have to subscribe to that channel to help me out, guys. I need your help. So let's grow that channel. A completely different way of learning how to play a full song from A to Z. And if you want to bump up your chances to get your song on Wednesdays here, on Wish Wednesdays, where you have your wish songs, then you do like this. You mention that you have subscribed to my new channel, and also mention what song you want to learn, and I'm going to put you higher on the list. Okay? Don't tell anyone. It's between you and me. Thank you so much for your help. Let's move on with this tutorial. And we have a capo on second. That's the absolute best scenario. Let's go through some chords. We're going to start with the F first. Okay, that's a bar chord. So you place any string like this on the first fret. You push down all strings there. Then you need to add third A, third D, and second G. Next chord will be the C. That goes third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. We have G next, and we have two versions of it. So third E, second A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. But you also got the bar chord. You're gonna realize why soon. You can go between these two versions of the same chord. So it's a bar exactly as the F. You just move it to this position. So again, a full bar with the next finger on the third fret, and then fifth A, fifth D, and fourth G added. That's the G. We have next the A minor. That will be open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. Then to handle the bridge part later on, we need to learn even the D minor. Actually, it's in the kind of the verse as well. So open D, second G, third B, and first E. Then we have the C, B. So you go from that C, you just switch the bass notes. Instead of playing the third fret A, you go to the second fret A. That's the only difference. So that gives us second A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. And speaking of E, that's the last chord. Sounds like that, and it goes open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. And there we have it, guys. So let's go into the verse picking pattern, and it goes like the A minor, C, G, and D minor 7. I forgot to actually mention the D minor 7, so I'm gonna do it right now. It goes open D, second G, first B, and first E. And with that first B and first E, you place a short little bar with index finger, much easier than going with all your fingers. You got like this, yeah, nuts. So that's the way to go. D minor 7. Now we have that mentioned. That's the first round, and the second round you play A minor, C, G, and then D minor. Okay, so it goes every other time like that. Okay, into the notes now for A minor. You're gonna play like this. So open A together with open high E, then second D, first B, open E, and back to second D. Next chord is the C, and that pattern goes. So it's third fret A together with open high E, then open G, first B, open high E, and open G. Then you have this part. It's the G, and you see I'm holding the G bar version here. So that's one reason for us having two versions. And yeah, it goes like this: third fret E string in the bass together with third B from the bar, and then comes the fifth A, fourth G, third B, and fifth A. And then the D minor 7. So that goes open D together with first B, then again open D, second G, first B, and open D. That's the first round. Then you play all over again, the A minor, C, G in the same way, and then finally you come to this last D minor chord, and it goes. So it's open D together with first high E, then second G, third B, first high E, and open D. So that is the thing. So A minor, C, G, D minor 7, A minor, C, G, D minor. I'm gonna play the last round for you. So A minor, C, G, and D minor. Let's go for it. So. That's how you do it. A little bit faster than that, and that's where you need to be. That's the verse play. Then comes the chorus at 1 minute and 50 seconds in. So what you're going to play there is strumming. So we're going to teach that now. If you grab the first chord F, one string round goes like this. Okay, so we're going to play first one down, then down up, and then up, down, up. And that's it. So down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. All right, but you need to switch on the chords. So now you're gonna play F1, C1, G1, and A minor 1. And this G here, I rather go with that standard G, not the bar. In my opinion, it's easier, and I'm more comfortable with the standard G. But you can go with the bar as well. It's up to you. Therefore, I have the two versions for you guys. So I'm going to play that for 3 rounds. So F, C, G, A minor. And on the 4th round, you're going to play F, 2 string rounds, and then G, 2 string rounds. And from F to G, you can actually go and slide up to the same grip at this position. You have the G. So that's also a reason for us to having 2 versions. You can go back and forth between the standard and the bar version. So I'm going to play round number 3 and round number 4 for you to understand what's going on. You get both styles of playing here. So 3 rounds of that F, C, G, A minor. I'm just going to play the last one of them and then go over to the F2 and G2 like this. Alright, so there you have the chorus end. And then back to the main verse again, and then, yes, back to the second chorus. Play exactly in the same way as the first one. So no changes there. And then comes the bridge part after the second chorus. What you're going to play now is standard strumming. We just learned that. So you're going to play D minor 2, G2, then C1, CB1, and A minor 2. That's the first half of it. Then comes the D minor 2, G2, then C2, and E2. And that's the end of the bridge. All right, so let's play it together. D minor, D minor, G, C, CB, A minor, D minor, G, C, and E. Then you go back to the chorus play that in the same way as the previous choruses, and that's it, guys. Neos dance right now, if you wish. I'm gonna play. You can dance if you want to. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for the support. Hope to see you soon. Play tune.